Thank you for choosing Micro. Today, we will be unboxing and setting up the Micro G-Bike Chopper. The Chopper is our newest balance bike and is designed for children ages 2 to 5. It comes in 3 colors, silver, black, and white, and is incredibly lightweight at just 4 pounds. This makes it very easy for youngsters to steer, maneuver, and pick up the bike. The Chopper also features a unique style of polyurethane wheel. This style of wheel helps to absorb and mitigate vibrations whilst out and about. To begin, let's remove the contents from the display box. Inside of the box, you should have the following items: instruction manual packet with Allen keys, and of course, the G-Bike itself with Handlebar. Now that we've removed everything from the box, let's get your G-Bike Chopper set up and ready for the pavement. First, let's attach the handlebar. To do so, loosen and remove both screws from the faceplate. Detach faceplate and insert handlebar into cavity. Reattach faceplate over handlebar with both screws, tightening each screw in increments rather than one screw all at once. Adjust handlebar as needed before you finish tightening the screws. Test handlebar for rigidity before moving forward. Next, let's review how to adjust the seat. To adjust seat height, open clamp found underneath seat and raise seat to desired height. Finish by closing latch. Please note, over time you may need to tighten the seat clamp. To do so, open clamp and tighten using Allen key. Finish by closing clamp. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Next, let's address how to adjust the handlebar height. To do so, use included Allen key to loosen top bolt 1 centimeter above washer. Do not loosen any further. Loosening this bolt further than 1 centimeter can cause the nut to fall down the tube. Please refrain from doing so. Once you've loosened the screw 1 centimeter, try to adjust the handlebar height. If you are able to adjust the height, raise to desired setting and retighten screw. If you are not able to raise the handle, tap the top of the screw with a hammer to free up adjustment. Finally, make sure that the front wheel and handlebar are at a 90-degree angle before venturing out. That's it! Your G-Bike Chopper is now assembled and ready to surf the sidewalk. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions or need any assistance. You can either post a YouTube comment below, or you can contact us directly. 888-236-5657 or info@microkickboard.com. Thank you for choosing Micro.